about the foundation, the house, your dream house, no? It's all about friendship. We're looking forward to have a relationship with you guys.
Maging kapamilya po namin, eventually, no?
Yeah.
So, yun ang importante. Gagawa.
Yes. For me naman, for every project that we make sure that it's kind like our own para syempre maging passionate kami in delivery, especially the schedule, the quality, yun lang ini-ensure namin. And with that, rest assured, we are committed in delivering those commitments. Yun yung pwede namin talagang ipagmalaki sa inyo na makikita niyo yung quality ng bahay. No shortcuts.
I think it's a very wonderful moment. This is the start of something big. Of course, sabi nga ni Brother Bong, and my compadre, this is not just about construction or anything, not about money, it's about friendship. We're building friendship and relationship here. Hopefully, before the year ends.
Yeah.
And naman, another occasion, blessing naman.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Moving forward.